Honeycomb shelves are very trendy and easy to build and design. Today I'll show you how to use a spray device to highlight the honeycombs in different rooms and quickly and easily turn them into a focal point. The hexagonal honeycombs offer numerous design possibilities. You can, for example, attach back panels made of Viennese mesh or spray patterns using different stencils. I am now designing a honeycomb that could, for example, enhance a reading nook or a living room. For this, I spray the honeycomb shelf with paint. I got a handy turntable to easily reach all corners. After the honeycombs, I move on to the wall surface, which I spray with a matching color. In the bathroom, small cosmetics and jewelry can be perfectly stored in the honeycombs, or with a bit of skill, you can transform them into a mirror, for example. For the colors, I've chosen a combination of warm, earthy tones to create a calming wellness oasis in the hectic everyday life. Do you want more ideas for honeycomb shelves? Then come along to the reading corner. You see, the honeycombs and wall are perfectly coordinated and quickly create a cozy reading corner. With a little styling and decoration, you create a harmonious overall image. Do you want to see another idea? Children have many things that often just disappear into boxes. Honeycomb shelves make these little treasures visible. In the children's room, I chose cheerful pastel colors to express playful childhood and creativity. Are you in the mood for more ideas? Then come along. Lost your key again? So why not transform a honeycomb shelf into a practical key rack? Just an idea for adding unique touches to your entrance area. Color-wise, dark grey and powdery pink appear elegant and make a good impression on your guests. A DIY idea with countless design possibilities. Grab the spray paint and change it.